Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss this proof. Okay, what is given to you? This is the recurrence relation for the cumulants. In previous video we did the Renovisky formula, that is also the recurrence relation. Okay, now here we are doing this recurrence relation for cumulant. Okay, देखो how will we proceed? Firstly I will solve this term. Okay, now according to definition, what is KR? Firstly, let us write kxt. Kxt will be log of mxt, right? What is mxt in case of this binomial function? Mxt is q plus p e की power t raised to the power n. This is your mxt function in this case. Okay. Now I can write it as, because of this log function, this n will come this side, it will be q plus p e की power t. All right. Now what is kr? kr क्या था in case of this cumulants? kr is d की power r upon में dt की power r, what? kxt, at where? At t is equal to 0. This is your complete kr. Okay, now it will be d की power r by dt की power r n log q plus p e t. Now this differentiation is with respect to time t. So this n is independent. I can take this n common outside. So here it will come. All right. Now I need dkr by dp. Okay. So I will write it as n d की power r by में dt की power r d by dp of what? q plus pet, log of q plus pet. I can write this q as 1 minus p because I am differentiating with respect to p. Okay, and in later on I will write it as q. Okay, now differentiate it. You will get n d की power r by में dt की power r. When you differentiate it with respect to p, it will be 1 by में 1 minus p plus pet, and differentiation of this complete portion, it will be with respect to p. तो ये आएगा आपका -1 plus e की power t. I can write this 1 minus p as q again. तो q this at t is equal to 0 हो गया. तो it will be n dr by dt की power r 1 e की power t minus 1 upon में q plus p e t at t is equal to 0. Now what you need next term? I need next term this kr plus 1. Find out the value of this kr plus 1. kr plus 1 will be equal to d की power r plus 1 upon में dt की power r plus 1, and this what? Log of n times log q plus pet. n times log q plus p e की power t at t is equal to 0. I can write this as d की power by dt, and inside this I can write d की r by dt की r, है ना, of this. Wait, I have written it wrongly. I can write d की power r by dt की power r, and differentiation of this d by dt of n log q plus p e t, this time with respect to t. Okay, with respect to t this time. So it will be d की power r by dt की power r as it is, and here differentiation of this will come out. Firstly, n is independent of t, so it will come outside. So 1 plus q plus p e t. Differentiation of this with respect to t will be p e की power t, है ना, at t is equal to 0. This is your differentiation. Now what will we do? We will add or subtract q from here. Okay, when we add q, it will be, I am erasing this above portion. Okay, dkr by dt, dt, not dt. I need this value. I am erasing this portion. So here it will be what I am saying, add or subtract q. kr plus 1 is equal to d की power r, and as it is dt की power r. It will be q plus pet minus q. Okay, so q plus pet, I am separating the denominator also side by side. तो यहाँ आ जाएगा q plus p e की power t, और यहाँ आ जाएगा q plus p e की power t. This complete at t is equal to 0. Now it will be 1. Marker is not working. This will be 1. Okay, next will be n d की power r by dt की power r. Differentiation of this 1 r times, second time में ये 0 हो जाएगा, है ना, तो we will remove this and it will be n minus q by q plus p e t at t is equal to 0. Now I want to show this thing. This is possible if I show what, कि difference of these two is equal to 0. If I show that thing, so it will be proved. Now take the difference of these two terms. The difference is kr plus 1 minus pq dkr by dp. Put this value. kr plus 1 की वैल्यू क्या है, ये माइनस एन डी की पावर आर बाय में डी टी की पावर आर, क्यू बाय में क्यू प्लस पी ई टी, है ना. This complete. Now minus pq of what, dkr by dp. तो n times d की पावर r by dt की पावर r e की t minus 1 अपॉन में q plus pt. Okay, now from these two, this complete is calculated at t is equal to 0. Okay, I am erasing this portion. So now see what is happening here. Take out the common thing that is independent of this t. I can take n from here common, and I can take this minus. Okay, I can take n common from here and q also, and here also I can take n and q common. तो what is left inside this complete bracket, d की power r by dt की power r. Okay, minus also I am taking common. तो यहाँ पे न्यूमिरेटर में क्या बचा, 1 by में q plus p e t. This thing left here, minus I have taken common from both terms. n cube comes outside, तो I can write this minus p e की power t minus 1 upon में q plus p e की power t at t is equal to 0. तो माइनस एन क्यू, है ना, टेक द एलसीएम, d की पावर r बाय में dt की पावर r. योर एलसीएम विल बी q प्लस p e की पावर t. नाउ इट विल बी डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम, तो जस्ट एड इट 1 माइनस p e की पावर t माइनस 1. ओके, 1 एज इट इज. दिस विल बिकम 1 minus plus p. Okay, I have taken this minus common na, so here it will be a plus sign, plus p e की power t minus p. Now combine this 1 minus p e की power t I am writing here plus 1 minus p. What will this become? This complete at t is equal to 0. 1 minus p will become q. Both numerator and denominator are same, so it will be minus nq d की power r by में dt की power r. Okay, differentiation of 1 r times at t is equal to 0. So this differentiation will be 0. So this complete is 0. तो recurrence relation जो था we have shown कि this difference is equal to 0. So from here what can you say कि kr plus 1 is equal to pq dkr by dp. All right.